Hi everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome to my channel. Applying gel polish perfectly requires precision and attention to detail. That may sound intimidating to you, but don't worry. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some tips on how to apply gel polish perfectly and some mistakes to avoid to achieve salon quality nails. Hopefully, after watching this video, you will find it not that difficult to do and enjoy doing your own nails at home. First of all, you should always prep your nails properly before putting on gel polish, such as remove any old polish, gently push back your cuticles, lightly buff the surface of your nails, then cleanse your nails with alcohol to remove any oils or residues. Skipping these steps can lead to poor adhesion, lifting, and chipping. In the demo today, I'm gonna use the base, the gel polish color, and the top coat from Nail Reserve. They are so kind to send some of their polishes as well as an UV lamp for me to try out. Make sure to stay to the end for the swatches and the discount code if you're interested in buying some vegan, cruelty-free gel polishes. Now I'm gonna apply a thin layer of the base coat on. You shouldn't skip this step because the base coat creates a surface for gel polish to adhere to, ensuring it sticks well to the natural nail. It acts as a barrier, preventing pigmented gel polish from standing or damaging the natural nail. It also helps extend the wear time of the manicure. Then I cure it for 60 seconds in the nail lamp. This lamp has two options: 45 seconds if you press it once and 60 seconds if you press it twice. I always do 60 seconds to make sure the gel is fully cured, as wearing uncured gel can lead to allergy. For the gel polish, I'm gonna use this color called Caramel. Gel polish of different brands will have different formulas. It can be thin or thick. The thickness of the gel polish can also be influenced by factors such as temperature or storage conditions. You don't want it too thick or too runny. When the weather is warm, the gel can be runny. You need to work fast so it won't pull or flood your cuticles. When the weather is cold, the gel will get thicker and will give you a hard time to apply. If you apply the layers that are too thick, the light may not penetrate all the way through, resulting in undercured gel polish, which leads to denting, bubbling, or wrinkling. To thin out thick gel polish, place the closed bottle of gel polish in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes before you apply while you prep your nails. The heat will help soften the gel polish and make it more fluid. Now I'm gonna put it on my nail. But first, I will rest both of my arms on a table or a flat surface to keep my hands steady. I always do my pinky first, as when I move to the thumb, the freshly painted nails will get out of the way. There's a lower risk of accidentally smudging or denting them. Besides, the thumb is less straight than other fingers, making the gel polish more prone to running down the sides if it's painted first. So I recommend doing the other nails first, then cure and deal with the thumb last. Now the application. Most beginners will do this. Take the brush out and put it right on. As you can see, it gets everywhere. So you should manage the amount of polish you have on your brush. When you take the brush out of the bottle, just scrape it off one side, and with practice, you will know how much you will need for one nail. Just take enough product for a thin layer. When I apply the polish, I rest my pinky on a stable surface to anchor my hand and provide stability. This helps minimize hand shaking and allows for more precise brush strokes. Now you want to put the polish close to the cuticle but not right at the cuticle. You don't want to put that big bit right into the cuticle and flood it. So I'm putting it in the middle of the finger, close to the cuticle, and gently slide the brush down. Don't use too much pressure. You will leave strokes on the nails and uneven application. Then I go back and use the tip of the brush to push the polish as close as possible to the cuticle. This helps create a perfect brow curve at the cuticle. Then I slowly go to the side and go down. Then I go to the other side and go down. Remember to just gently glide down, not pressing. If you have deep side walls or if you can reach the side walls, gently roll your fingers slightly towards the side you're painting. This line movement helps expose the side walls, making it easier to paint without accidentally touching the skin or cuticle. Then I cap the free edge or seal the tip of the nail. You can apply the polish first, then wipe off the polish on the brush and use a very minimal amount of polish to cap the edge. If you don't wipe off the polish while the brush still has a lot of product on it, the tip of your nail can look really thick and uneven. Or you can cap the edge first, then apply the polish. Some say you don't have to do this, some say you have to. I say it depends on your own nails and the gel polish. With my nails, they tend to chip and peel if I don't cap the free edge, so I always cap for longevity. When you move to the other nails, remember to go back to the bottle to get more product and repeat. If you don't, it may lead to inconsistency in color and coverage across the nails. Another factor may impact your application is the brush. The brush that comes with the polish varies from brand to brand. Some is large, some is small. If you find the brush comes with the bottle, giving you a hard time to apply the gel, I recommend buying a separate nail brush that fits your nails perfectly to apply. If you're a perfectionist, grab this liner brush. It will help you get into the cuticle and the side walls easily and achieve a perfect application. And another brush you should have is a thin cleaning brush. It comes in handy when you need to clean up the cuticle or the side walls. Just take some nail remover on the brush and clean where needed. Always remove any gel on your skin before going in the lamp. Gel polish that touches the skin can cause lifting, peeling, and the worst is allergy. Now that I have the first coat on, before going in the lamp, I turn my hand upside down to let the gravity help pull the gel polish towards the center of the nail, promoting self-leveling. This can help smooth out any unevenness or ridges in the polish and create a more uniform surface, also called an apex. Then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. You should follow the curing times specified by the manufacturer for optimal results. Normally, I will do 2 coats for the intensity. If the polish is sheer or see-through, I would do 3 thin coats. For the second coat, I just do the same thing as the first coat. Make sure to apply a thin and even layer and put it in the lamp. After that, I will apply the no-wipe top coat. The top coat creates a protective layer over the color coat, sealing it in and providing added durability. You can choose a glossy or matte top coat. I'm using a glossy one today to add a high gloss shine to the nail, enhancing the appearance of the gel polish color, and is more forgiving and easier to work with than the matte one. You should never skip this step. If you have any imperfections and unevenness in the color coat, the top coat can level them out and create a smooth and flawless surface on the nail. Then I cure it in the lamp. You have to cure the gel after every layers. Lastly, don't forget to put some cuticle oil to nourish and hydrate your cuticles and surrounding skin. Now let's swatch the gel polishes from Nail Reserve. First is Caramel, the perfect new color for my skin tone that you already saw in the demo. Please keep in mind that the same color can appear differently on various skin tones and undertones. The second one is Royal Nude. This one is lighter than the caramel. If you have fair skin, this is gonna be your nude. The next one is Marble Pink. It's a new pink, a flattering color that looks beautiful on various skin tones, from fair to deep. The next one is HJ, a milky white shade, a very subtle and elegant color that is suitable for every skin tone or occasions. Last but not least, Sun is Back, a beautiful gold sparkling shade. It can add a touch of glamour to your nails for festive occasions or special events. If you're interested in buying them, you can use code KellyNG for 50% off using the link in the description box below. The lamp they sent me is very small and compact, easy to store and good for traveling. The lights are strong enough to cure the gel properly. The only downside is because it's small, it may not fit the whole hand inside if your hand is on a bigger side. So just work with 2 or 3 nails at a time and it will be fine. And here's the finished look with the caramel and Sun is Back. If you guys find this video helpful, let me know by giving it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!